Alright guys, we have wifey over here. She wanted to play this funny pinata game. I'm sitting behind her. I said, I'll just record you from the back. So she's gonna play. Look how many lines there are. 80 lines. Okay. Wow, so they just keep putting wilds out like that, huh? You need some connections in the middle. Oh wow. What? Oh, those aren't wilds. That would have been great if there was one in the first reel. This is crazy, it just drops wilds everywhere. Oh. So far, none of them are connecting. Okay. Oh. Is that a donkey? That qualifies as a donkey. She got 6 cents for that one. 6 cents. Oh, they're in times 10 at the top. Oh my god, the queen's at the top. This is crazy. It has a lot of potential. Definitely. But it's absolutely teasing just for now. So those times 10s at the top. Have you gotten one line hit except for 6 cents? Dude, that would have been good. Oh, a bonus? Nice. They were playing all donkey games today. Nice. Pinata power next spin. So next spin, I think it's gonna give you have to spin it. Oh wow, okay. So everything is a nice donkey wild. That's good. So this is a little like Lucky Larry. Yeah. Yeah. Nope. Okay. This is wifey's perspective, guys. Oh, jacks. Jackpot, stop. What the heck was that? What the heck was that? It was gonna give you all the jacks. Instead, it was the lowest symbol too. At least there you go, something. All right. And that's the chonky donkey I've ever seen one. Okay, let's go for some 10x. You have to do it next spin. It's just like Lucky Larry. Oh my god, only the kings? Only the, that was 14 cents. This is so lame. Oh, there we go. Oh, real 4. So stupid. You guys see that? Oh my goodness. Oh, huge. Nice. Now that's something right there, right? Keep counting. Keep counting. Keep counting. There you go. That was good. That was good. Why I feel like that one. This game has some fun potential. Oh, bonus. I didn't realize there was a bonus too. Oh, you can get it on anyone? Okay. Oh, you walk by it. Sorry. Nice fans. Can I walk by? I'm like, I just want to sit on this machine while she's playing. No problem. It's okay. You made a cameo. All the aces. Oh, one more. Okay, again. Oh my god, I thought that was something real quickly. How is that not something? It's just betting $1 spin if you guys can't see. This is a fun game. I kind of like it, I mean. So there's the pinata power, which gives you like the Lucky Larry. The next spin, you get like random wilds. You get the bonus thing. Or, oh my goodness, that is so big. Oh, that is so nice. That was a nice full page with the multipliers. 15 bucks. I thought it was gonna be more, but that's still good. So, okay. So a full page. Yeah, there you go, that's in your thumbnail. Good job. She's like, I've had my fun, now I wanna go to the next one. Show them the ticket, nice job. All right, we're gonna find a new machine.